let me assume that your router is not working. Maybe it is connecting to network and it is showing no network on the phone or whatever you are connecting it to, and you want to fix it. This is how you can fix it. It is simple. Now, this my router particularly is the Airtel Unlimited, and most time you will witness a lot of network issue with it. Now, this is how you can solve some of them, or maybe not, or it is still possible for you to solve all of them like this. Now, one thing you need to know is that the type of light it is showing matters a lot. Let's say you are getting just two lights, or you are getting red at the top. Now, if you are getting any of all these lights, first of all, you want to hold a button at the bottom. Now, that button will normally turn it off in aspect where you remove the cable and it refuses to work. And also, you should check the SIM. If the SIM is properly placed, it can still cause it. And sometimes it is just better you unplug it, take out the SIM and put it back. That is one of the way you can fix it. Now, if these two methods have shared with you still not work, just like in my case now, you find out that I put the SIM back. Let me put the SIM back and see. Okay, I've put the SIM finally. Now, after I put the SIM, it may work sometimes and sometimes it may not work. But let's go again with the second trying. Now, we let it boot. Remember, if the router is working, you will get like 3 lights, then the top one means the network. If your side have 4G, you will get all lights will be complete. So if it does not work like that, that means maybe you do not have 4G. But if it is showing red, it's bad network. Another thing can be subscription, because if the subscription finish, they are going to send you mail. So if you do not share the mail, check the mail, you cannot get it. Now, let's say yours is showing red. Now, red can mean no signal at all, and also it can still turn to blue. Blue is very poor network, and also there is white. I think that white is no network. Now, to go to the third fix. The third fix is removing the SIM. I've removed it. Now you see this, that has the reset button. You want to use that to reset it. Now, what this does is resetting the router to let it connect to another server or another antenna or another network, or maybe. Now, what that does is hopefully connect you to a better network. Now, all you need to do after you have plugged in, you will wait for the light to come up. Now, whatever light you get does not mean if you get the 2 or maybe that red at the top, all you have to do is because the first green now, that's the power. The second, I think that's the loading, and the third is the network. Now, what you should do, you reset it once the router has fully boot, because I'm still waiting for it to boot now. Once it boots, you just put the pen under, and you can use different router with their own solution, but most of them have this reset button. Now look at my own now. The light has come on, so you just hold it for at least 5 seconds. I like doing 10 seconds, but I think 5 seconds is enough. You will see that the style of the light will change. Now, you see, we have 3 in the center. So you leave it, you can take your hands off it. It means that it have reset. And also, guys, if you are enjoying any of this, don't forget to follow me, because I drop guide on different things and how to solve them. Now, you just wait for a little while to see how it will turn up. So we let it boot. Now, this usually take at least 20 seconds or so, but just wait for it. Very good to wait. It's my work now. If you have used this router before, network issue sometimes will even drive you crazy. So let's wait. Okay, it's coming up now. You see, we have 2 lights, so we are going to get 1 more. This my area, we do not have 5G, so I'm getting just 4 lights. So come on, you see, we have the 4 light. Look at it now. four light, only the 5G that not available. Now let me show you my connection. My phone, this my phone, I don't know what's wrong with it. The phone is a little bit mad. Now you see, now you see it's no longer showing that no network, so that's the easy fix. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to be teaching more of things like this. Thank you for watching.